Hello kids, today we practice different 19 crayon colors. Now the first one, yellow color. This is yellow color. Next, this is purple color. Next, this is orange color. This is Fanta color. This is red color. This is purple color. This is tea pink color. This is baby pink color. This is blue color. This is parrot color. This is feroza color. This is light blue color. This is sea green color. This is parrot color. This is gray color. This is orange color. And this is dark blue color. This is brick color. This is brown color. Hope you like my video. Please like and subscribe also.